You've heard people say it's stored in the cloud 1,000 times, but what is the cloud? Here's the truth: the cloud isn't floating in the sky, it's actually this. The cloud is just a fancy name for someone else's computers, massive buildings full of servers. When you save a photo to iCloud or Google Photos, it travels through the internet to one of these facilities. Your photo gets stored on physical hard drives, sitting in a building owned by Apple, Google, or Amazon. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google own these massive data centers all around the world. They're connected through high-speed internet cables, creating a global network of storage and computing power. So when you're working on a Google Doc or streaming Netflix, you're actually accessing programs running on these servers. Instead of everything being stored on your computer, it's stored on their computers, accessible anywhere with internet. That's why you can start a document on your phone and finish it on your laptop. It's all stored in the same place. Real people maintain these servers, replacing broken parts, updating software, and keeping everything running 24/7. These facilities use enormous amounts of electricity and cooling systems because servers generate tons of heat. Millions of people share the same physical servers, but your data is kept separate and private through software. Think of it like a massive apartment building. Everyone has their own locked unit, even though you're in the same structure. Netflix streams movies, Spotify plays music, Gmail stores emails, all from cloud servers, not your device. Your data is usually copied to multiple locations, so if one data center fails, you don't lose everything. Companies use cloud because it sounds better than saying we store your stuff on our computers in New Jersey. It's brilliant marketing, but now you know the reality behind the metaphor. So next time someone mentions the cloud, think of warehouses full of humming servers and cooling fans. The cloud isn't magic, it's just really well-organized infrastructure owned by tech giants. And honestly, it's pretty convenient as long as you understand what's really happening with your data. Now you're in on the secret. The cloud is just the internet, servers, and some very clever engineering. If this cleared things up, hit that subscribe button for more tech myths debunked. Thanks for watching. Now go impress someone with your newfound cloud knowledge.